Hello, welcome to The Cub and the Pup, presented by Little Pine Education, the best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 11. First, let's go over the short U words. Cub, pup, rub, tub, hug, tug, rug, sun. Challenge words, friend and roll. The cub and the pup are friends. The cub likes to rub on the log. The pup does not like to rub. The pup likes to go in the tub. The cub does not like the tub. The cub can hug. The pup does not hug. They do like to tug and dig. They do like to roll on the rug in the sun. What fun! That's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed The Cub and the Pup. See you next time.